Hello, my wonderful kids. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn class 2 mathematics chapter number 3. The lesson name is fun with numbers. Okay, so this one is the part 2 video. So part 1 video I have already uploaded. So we have covered these pages in part 1 video. So if you have already missed to watch the part 1 video, I have given the link on the description. So please watch the part 1 video and come back to part 2 video, to this video. So it will be very understandable, otherwise you will feel difficult. Okay, so I feel very happy for the kids, those who are watching my video, but you are forgetting to subscribe my channel. So please subscribe my channel and support me. All right, so now let's go into the part 2 video. So in this one we are going to start with let's do. So let's do it. So the first question they are asking, on the number chart, use skip counting in 2 and draw a circle on the number. So now what we have to do is, now we have to skip counting 2. For example, if you start with the number 0, you have to skip counting the number 2. For example, from here it's 1, 2, and then we need to draw a circle. Again 1, 2, you need to draw a circle. Again 1, 2, draw a circle. 1, 2, draw a circle. Likewise, you have to complete for this entire chart. Okay, so let's do with this. So now we will start drawing a circle. So number 2, it is already drawn. So we will start from, okay, we will do it from number 2 itself, just to highlight little brighter. So number 2, so number 4, 6, 8, 10, we have 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, then we have 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. Next we have 34, 36, 38, 40, we have 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Now we are doing in skipping counting 2. Okay, so please do remember all the numbers. You can able to see the same numbers as per the 2 tables. Okay, so 52, 55, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. Now we have 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. So we have 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Okay, so now what we have done? We have done circling all the numbers, use skipping count of 2. Okay, next one, use skipping count in 5 and draw triangle. So now what they are asking? They are asking to write the skipping count of 5 and draw a triangle. So if you skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now on 5 we have to draw a triangle. Likewise, you reach 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in 10 you have to draw another triangle. Okay. So I'm going to change the color to blue to draw a triangle. So it will be easy for identification. Okay. So the next thing we have to draw a triangle. Skip counting in number 5. Okay. So draw a triangle here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, then we have 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and we have 90, 95, the last one is 100. So if you see, so when we skip counting 2, we reached all the 2 tables. And when we skip counting number 5, it will come for 5 tables. Like 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 4s are 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay. So based on that, they were asked the next question. So write down the numbers that are common to skip in 2s and 5s. So common means similar, same. So what are the number which is common to skips in 2s and 5s? So we have to find the numbers which is common. So it can be easily identified the number which is circled for both circle and square. So find out the number which has both circle and square. So here on the first row we have number 10, both circle and square, number 20, number 30, number 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So all these numbers are having both circle and square. So this is a common number. So now we can write the common numbers here. So we found 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100 are the common numbers for 2s and 5s. Okay. So the next thing they are asking, write down the numbers that are common to skips in 2s, 3s and 5s. So we already found for 2s, 5s, but 3s we haven't done for 3, right? So we will find the skip count in 3 now. Okay, so we will change the color to maybe a green one. Okay, and we will do a tick mark for skip count of 3. So it will be easily identified, right? So if you jump, it will come 1, 2, 3. So 3. Again 1, 2, 3. You go to 6. So 1, 2, 3. You go to 9. 1, 2, 3. You go to 12. So everything will come in 3 tables. So you reach 48. So 1, 2, 3. You reach 51. So like that you can count and write. Okay. So all these numbers you can able to find in 3 tables. Okay. So 60. The next one is 63, 66, 66. Then we have 69, 72, 75, 78. Then we have 81, 84, 84. We have 1, 1, 2, 3. We have, oh, 1 minute. The pencil is frozen here. So 87, sorry. Then we have 90, again 93, 96, 99. The next jump we will go to 1, 2, 3, which is 102, which is not here. So we will stop in 93. I'm sorry, 99. Okay, now what we have to do is write down the numbers that are common to skips in 2s, 3s and 5s. So we need to find out the numbers which has both, I'm sorry, the numbers which has a circle, triangle and a tick mark. So you can able to find here, see number 30. So let's change the color to black here and write the number 30. So if you write number 30 and the next number is, in this row there is no common here, no, and here number 60. So if you notice the number 60 has both circle, square and a tick mark. So all three are there. And in this row it's not there. Here again number 90. So 90 has a circle, a triangle and a tick mark. So we can write number 90. So we have 30, 60 and 90. Okay. So the next one. Write down the numbers common to skips of 5s and 7s. Okay. So now we have already written for 5s. So now we will write for number 7. Okay. So now we have to find out the common to the skip of number 7. Okay. So we will change the color here again to a bright one, maybe a pink one. Okay. So now we will put a cross mark. Okay. So it will be easy for identification. So I'm going to put a cross mark. We need to find a skip of number 7. So from 0, we have to count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 here. So again, from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 14. So likewise, you have to jump. So this one is 7 tables. Okay, so 14. The next number is we have 21. So next one is 28. Then if you do 7 skips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you reach 35. I'm sorry, 7 steps, you reach 35. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you reach 42. The next one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 49. Then 56, 63. We have 70. From 70 we have 77. 7 11s are 77. Then we have 84. We have 91. So from here 7 step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We reach 98. So again another 7 steps. We do not have a number after 100 here. Okay, so now what is the question? Write down the numbers common to the skip of 5s and 7s. So which number is common to the skip of 5s and 7s? So that is the answer we need to find out. So now we have to find out which number has both. For 5s we marked a triangle, right? A blue triangle. And for 7s we did a cross mark in pink. So find out which number has both the triangle and the pink mark, pink cross mark. Okay, if you see here on the first row, it's not there. On the second row, no. On the third row, no, we do not have. Here, if you see the number 35, see the number 35 has both pink mark and the cross mark, right? So this one. And on 40s, we do not have 50s, no 60s. No. 70s. Again. No. 61, 62. So we find out. No, it's not there. Okay. So we found for 35. So we write the number 35. Okay, let me change the color to black. Okay, so 1 minute. So we will write the number 35. Oh, 1 minute. See, we write number 35. So the next one we have here 60s. No, it's not there. No. If you notice number 70, you can able to see the triangle and also there is a cross mark. So number 70. So 30, 70. Let's see if we have any other number with a triangle and a cross mark. No, it's only number 35 and 70. Okay, so let's see the next one. Jump and find the answer. Write yes or no. So it's an yes or no question. So now what they're asking, make a number line on the ground and jump on it. So this is your class activity. So what you have to do is make a number line. So we have a number line. So here, see the number line. It's 1 to 10. So if you start from 10 and jump counting in tens, will you land on number 100 at any time? So it is a number question. So what they are doing, if you start from 10. So imagine that you have a number line here. So see this number line. So this number line they have marked with 1s to 10. So imagine that there is a number line with tens. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and the next one we have 70, 80, 90, 100. You have a number line here. So now what they are asking, if you start from number 10 and jump counting in tens, will you land the number to 100? Yes, because from 10 to 20 in between we have 10 numbers, right? So if you jump 10 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if you jump, will you reach 100? Yes, we will reach 100, correct. So this is an S question. So the answer is yes, we will reach the number 100. So the next question, we will erase this out. So it will be easy for us for the next sum. So the next question, jump and find out if you start from 5 and count in fives, will you jump on number 40? So if you start at 5, so let's write the number here. Okay. So here, if you see this one, so it has number 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, sorry, 35, 40. So what is the question they are asking? If you jump and find out if you start at 5 and count in fives, will you jump on number 40? So see this number line. So let's start from this one and count jumping. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, when you do a 7 jumps, fives, we can able to reach number 40. So the answer is yes. Okay. So the next question. If you start from 0 and count in 5s, will you able to jump on 55 at any time? So this is also again 5 jumps. So it will come in 5 tables. Let's see if you have any number here. It starts with 0. No. So see this number line. So we have a big number line here, right? So let's count and see. From this one, we have to do a 5 jumps. They are asking whether you can able to reach the number 55. So here, if you jump, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. In all these between, we have 5 numbers, right? So we have to count in 5. So 35, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You reach 30 to 35. So 35, 40, then 45, 50, then 1. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You reach 55. So we are reaching 55. So the answer is again yes. Okay. So the next question. If you start from number 4 and count in twos, will you jump on number 17? Okay, now let's erase all these one. Okay, now we need to jump two numbers, right? So the question again is, if you start from number 4 and count in twos, will you jump on number 17? So we have to start from number 4 here and do two jumps. So from 4 you reach 1, 2, number 6, again 1, 2, number 8, again 1, 2, number 10, 1, 2, number 12, 1, 2, number 14, 1, 2, number 16, 1, 2, so number 18. So if you do skip, so from 4 you will reach skip 8, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So likewise you can jump and go. But what is the number they are asking? Will you jump on number 17? So will we jump on number 17? No, we are not jumping on number 17. We are jumping number on 18. So for this answer, we need to write no, we are not jumping. Okay. So the next question. If you start from 13 and count in threes, will you jump on number 24? So now again we will erase all these ones. Okay. So what they're asking, if you start from number 13 and count in threes. So where is number 13 here? So number 13, count in threes. So 13, so 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So are we reaching the number 24 here? No, we are not reaching number 24 here. We are skipping this out. So we have to write number no. Sorry, the word no here. Okay. So this is a very simple one, all based on the number lines and the jump that we are making on a number. Okay. So if they are asking to do a number jump of 2, you can do it in a 2 tables. And if it's jumping on number 5, you can use the 5 tables. Likewise, 7 tables, 10 tables, 3 tables. Okay. So tables, please children, please uh, practice the tables from 1 to 12. Okay. So it is very important that you are practicing the tables. Do not memorize the tables, just understand and do it. Okay. So the next one is let us jump backwards. So the next one is let us jump backwards. Okay, so let's see this one. So we have let's jump backwards. Okay, so complete the following pattern. So we have a pattern and we need to complete. So here we have given with backward jumping. So what is a backward jumping? So see this frog. So if you look at this frog is jumping backward. So backward in the sense this is backward. So front is this one, right? So this is front. So see this frog. This frog is jumping backwards from 10 to 9, 9 to 8, and again from 8 to 7. Next one is 7 to 6. So we have 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1, then 2 to 1. Okay, so the frog is jumping backward. So 10 to 9, 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, then 1 to 0. Okay, so likewise this frog is jumping backwards. Now the question is, what comes just before 10? So look at here. So what number is just before 10? The number 9. So you can write the number 9. Okay, the next question. What comes just before 9? So what comes just before 9? So before 9 is 8. So likewise, they can ask a different question also. For example, what comes just before 4? You can write number 3. So what comes just before 2? You can write number 1. Okay. So here, look at this one. So we have to complete this pattern. So we have given with 10, 9, 8. Again, the backward jump of 10 to 9, 9 to 8. So after that, we'll get 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next. So next, if you see, there is a backward jump again, but we have a pattern of jumping. So look at this. This frog starts from 40 and let's count. We have 1. So this one is the first jump here. So let's see how many numbers the frog is skipping. So 1, 2, 3. So the frog from 40, the frog jump backwards to reach number. So if you count the number backwards, so 40, 40 to 39, 39 to 38, 38 to 37. Okay. So it's 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Likewise again 1, 2, 3. So it is reaching 35. Okay. Again 1, 2, 3. It will reach 31. Okay. Again 1, 2, 3. This one is 28. Okay, so likewise you have to count 3 numbers. Alright, so from 28 again 1, 2, 3, the frog will reach 25. Again 1, 2, 3, this number is 22. So 1, 2, 3, the next one we have here 3 jumps again, it's 19. So 1, 2, 3, again the frog will go to 16. From 16 to 1, 2, 3, it's going 13. So this one is 13. So from 13 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, again 10 to 7. Okay, so likewise the frog is jumping 3 numbers. 3 again here. Okay, so now let's finish this box which has been given. So we have a pattern, each is doing here 3 jumps. So everything we having 3, 3, 3. So in one jump, the frog is missing 3 numbers. Okay. So from 34, it's 31, 28, 25, 22, 19, then we have 13, then 20. From 20, we have, no, sorry, let's do this again. From 25, it's 22, 22, 19, then 16, 13, and 10. You can write the number here also, okay? If you want, you can mark the number also. Here, we have 40, 37. Okay, again it's 35 here, here 31. And this place is 28. So likewise, you can mark the numbers here also, okay? In book you will have enough space to write the numbers, okay? But I have written here in the box, all right? So next, see the next one. And students, this question is an important question for your exam, okay? So please practice and please listen carefully, okay? So the next one, we see the frog is missing how many numbers? Let's count. The first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So we have 5 here. So let's write number 5. So it's 5 numbers living. So from 70, the frog is jumping to 65. So again, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's going to 60. Backward jump, 60. Again, 55, 50, 40, from 40 to, 45 to 40, 40 to 35. So from 35, it will go back again to 30. Okay, so it's easy. We have 5 numbers leaving, all right. So if you fill this out, 70, 65, 60, we have 55, 50, 45, 40, then 35, we have 30. Okay, as easy. So we have 60, then 55, 55 to 50, 45, 40, 30, 35. If you read like this, you will get answers. So 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Okay. Likewise, we are doing a backward jump. All right. So next, if you see the frog is from 10, from 100, the frog is jumping to 90. So when you count here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 numbers. So from 100, the frog jumped backwards to 90. Again, if you count 10 numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the frog will reach number 80. Okay. So each jump we have 10 here. Again, it will go to 70, 70 to 100. So from 70, it will jump backwards and reach number 60. Okay. So here we have 90. So from 90, we can write 80, 70, and 60. Okay. Easy one. So on the next one, we have a frog jumping from 100 directly to 80. So we have 90 in the middle. So we have 10 numbers here and 10 lines here. So when you add these two, we are getting 20. So the frog is leaving 20 numbers in between. Okay. So likewise, we have 10 here. So 10 here, the frog is skipping 70 and directly jumps to number 60. Okay. So from 60, directly it jumps to 40. Alright, this one is also easy. So 80, 60 and 40. Alright, this one is an easy one. So next one, is there a pattern in the given number? So there is a number given here. We have 100, 90, 80, 70 and 60. So they're asking, is there a pattern in the given numbers? If not, change the number to create a pattern, also extend it. Okay. So let's see what pattern we have. So we have 100 to 90. So we have 10 numbers. From 90 to 80, we have a 10 numbers difference. Again to 80 to 70, we have a 10 numbers difference. So 70 to 60, again we have 10 numbers difference. So 50, 60, we can write 50, 40, 30. So if you want to extend, we can write 20 and 10. Okay, so again here we have 10 numbers difference between 50 and 40, and 40 to 30 we have 10 numbers difference, 30 to 20 10 numbers difference, and 20 to 10 all is 10 numbers difference. Okay, so we have also extended to 20 and 10. All right, so this question again I'm marking. This one is also a very important question. Okay, so don't worry children, I will be sharing the worksheet shortly. So please practice the sums which is provided in the worksheet, okay? And if you have any doubt also, you can send me an email so that I can create another video on the same pattern. Alright, so it will be very useful while you are preparing for your examination, alright? Okay, let's see the next one. So the next one is let us talk. So let us talk. So we have Rizwan is counting numbers from 20 onwards. What he is doing? He is counting numbers from 20 onwards. For example, he is counting 20, 21, 22, 23. So likewise, he is counting numbers from 20 onwards. Will he say the number in his count? So will he say number 19 in his count? Explain why. So this is an yes or no question and we need to write an explanation. So will he say the number 19? No, he will not say the number 19 because he starts the counting from 20. The number 19 starts before 20. So this is before 20. So the answer is no. So we will write the answer here. I will write this in black pen. So we can say no because 19 comes before 20. Okay, so the answer is no because 19 comes before 20. All right, so the next question, Chavi is counting the numbers in twos from 10 onwards. So he is counting the numbers in twos from 10 onwards. Let's see how she will count. So she will count the numbers in twos. So it will be like this. So twos in the sense. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Then we have 20. Next one is 22, 24, 26. So etc. So Chavi is counting the number is 2 from 10 onwards. Will he say 43? Explain why. So will 46 will come in this line. I'm sorry, 43. So in two tables, do we have number 43? No, we do not have a number 43. So look at this chart. So if Chavi is counting from number 10, what she will write? She will write 10, then 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, you have 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, and 42, 44. And she will not count the number 43, right? So the answer is no. The answer is no, because in two counts we will not get 43. Okay, so the answer is no here. So the next one, Mala is counting backwards from 20. How many steps will it take to reach 10? Explain why. So now she is counting backwards. For example, she is counting backwards in the sense she is counting 20, 19, 18, 17. Likewise, she is counting backwards. Okay. So how many steps will it take to reach number 10? So discuss. Okay, now we'll discuss this. I will rub all these. So it will be easy for us to jump and write. Okay, we will use this chart. Okay, it is easy for us. So let's change this color to red. Okay, so we have number 20 here and we have to count backwards, right? So from 20 to 19 is one jump. Okay, so one jump, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. From 13 we have 12, 11, and again from 11 we have 10, 9, 8, we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we have 0 because they asked will take to reach 0, right? So we have 0 here. So let's count how many jumps are there because they are asking to count the number of jumps, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and sorry. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20. Okay. Children, what I advise is you take a long paper and draw a very long line. Okay. Just draw a very long line here. It starts with number 20 and reach the number 0. Okay. So in between you have number 10. So you write all the numbers like 11, 12, 13, 14. So likewise you write all the numbers and make jump one by one. So it will be easy for you understanding and count the number of jumps also. Okay. So it will be very easy while counting. Okay. I had this chart, so I explained this in chart. Okay. So next one we have pattern in number chart. So let's erase all these for the chart. So the next one is pattern in number chart. Okay, sorry students, we missed this question. So this answer is for Mala. So the 20 is for Mala, not for Viraj. Let's erase this one and write the answer 20 here. Okay. So here 20. So the next one, Viraj is counting backwards in twos from 20. So Mala, what she did backwards only one step. But Viraj, what he's doing, he's counting two steps. So how many steps will he take to reach 0? So as we know, one step we reach 20. Two steps we have divide 20 divided by 2 is 10. Right? So this answer will be 10. But we will draw the pattern here so that we'll find out. Okay, I'll erase all these. Okay, and we will do from this. All right. So from 20, 2 jump means where he will reach. He will reach directly to 18. So 18 to 16, 16 to 14, 14 to 12. So then 12 to 10, 10 to 8, 8 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 2. Then from 2 to 0. Okay, so let's count how many steps. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. From 12 to 10, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we got 10 has the correct answer. Okay, so we can write number 10. All right. So I will erase again all these for the pattern and number chart. Okay. And we have the pattern and numbers. Children, this one is a very, very important part in this entire lesson. Okay. So this one, I think we have to do this in a very detail. So the pattern and numbers, and based on this one, we have few more questions, and I think we can do this in on the next video. So all these are important for your exams, children. So it's already 40 minutes, more than 40 minutes now on this video. So I will do this in on our next video. Okay, I'll do a part 3 on this. I know this lesson already part 1 is over. Part 2 is also over. I will do a part 3 video. Okay, so it will be very easy for you to understand. All right. So till now, please complete what and all we explained in part 1 video. So part 1 video and part 2 video is also important to understand when we reach the part 3 video. All right. So we will continue this on the part 3. Okay, so we have balance page number 3 pages. Okay, so let's close this one, children, and I will create the worksheet shortly, and I hope everything is understandable. And if you have any doubts, please send me an email. Do not hesitate to send an email. I have given my email address on the description box. Okay, and finally, once again, please subscribe